Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. On this channel I help people to raise their vibration and expand their consciousness. And the reason why you've clicked on this video might be because you feel bad. Because the first question I want to ask you is, why do you see it as a bad thing, what you feel? Why is it a bad thing to be sad, to be angry, or to feel uncomfortable? Why do you feel that is bad to feel? And then you could maybe wonder and think to yourself, why? Because there's always a reason how we perceive the world, how we perceive our actions, and how we perceive ourselves. In this society, we have like this bad, good, right, wrong, should not do. But I really think that there are nothing right or wrong than what we make it to. Because there are so many opinions and so many perspectives. And there are always a positive and negative side of every single situation in your life. And it's just how you choose to perceive it and how you choose to perceive yourself. And that how you perceive it will be manifested in your life. How you have a belief, perspective, then a thought, feeling, and action. And then you will manifest it with that vibration in it. That is just a combination of your vibration. So how you perceive it makes everything. If you perceive it as bad, you may suppress your emotions. You may think, no, I can't feel this. And this is not good. I have to suppress it. I have to think about something else, or I have to never feel this again. This is so uncomfortable. But when we are just accepting and being comfortable about being uncomfortable or about being angry or sad, and saying to ourselves that it's okay that we feel this, then we are gonna let it go. When we feel the emotions, it's just energy in motion. And when we feel the energy in motion, then they will just automatically let go. So the first thing is to know your perspective. Know maybe the reason why you're seeing that as a bad thing. Maybe you were taught that feeling sad is wrong. What is wrong with you? Why are you sad? Be happy and be grateful for this and that, and just telling you reasons why you shouldn't be sad or angry. So acknowledging and knowing why you're perceiving it, and then seeing from a perspective that it is okay, and knowing that nothing is right or wrong than what you make it to. And then you could just sit down, meditate, and just feel these emotions. No matter if you have meditated or not. It's just about feeling your emotions, observing them, not as you, not a definition of who you are, just an emotion, because it's not authentically you. It's just a reaction of how you react. It's just a reaction of the situation. And then you may have suppressed it so it becomes worse and bottled up and then explodes. There is a reason for every single emotion you have. And they are valid and they deserve to be heard and listened to. Because when we listen to it, then we listen to ourselves. That is just, the emotions are there to help us, not to be against us. But they will feel like they are against you if you see it as a bad thing and try to put it down further and just trying to say it's not okay and saying that it's wrong. But it's our relationship with the emotions you have that can be the problem. It's not this itself emotion that are the problem. It's the relation with the emotion. So I wish you all the best, and I send you a lot of unconditional love. And remember to subscribe. That would mean the world to me, and it would help my channel grow. And then you also can put on the bell thing so you can update it when I post a new video. And also remember to like and peace if you like this video or want more like this, and you can comment down below if there's anything you would like to say or questions or anything you want me to talk about. I'm open to that as well. And then I will just see you next time, and a lot of unconditional love from here.